Hi lovies, so I got another um, cooling fan mini AC unit today. Alright, one of my customer order next one. So let's get into it. Let's make another epic video, guys. So pause for a sec, let me open it up from the box and we'll get into it. Alright guys, welcome back. It's out of the box now. So as you can see, it comes with a pamphlet. Alright, so a rule book for you to go through the rules and everything, get acquainted with it. Right, so this is the mini AC unit, and also comes with an USB plug. Right, so let me hook up this, plug it on, and let's get started. Right, so I plug it on. As you see, the red light here indicating that it is working. Right, so let's throw in our ice cold water in it and get started. So this is where you're throwing in the water. Right, I have my glass of ice cold water here. Right, so you just throw it in. Let's go. Oh my god. Right, cover it back up, and it is ready for the workings. Right, so this is on and off, and it's also different speed. This is the timer, it goes up to 8 hours, and this is the cooling mode. Right, it have cool and it have super cool, and this is the different color lights. So let's begin. On, as I say, it's also a humidifier and a purifier as well, so you will see some mist coming out of it in a sec. Wow, it's on and it's on and it's cool. Wow, let me change the mood. Right, and let me change the speed. Wow, wow, oh my god, this is cooling. You see the mist coming out from it? Yes, you guys are seeing the mist. So it's a purifier and a humidifier as well, and trust me, it is blowing cool. Wow, wow. Right, so let me put on the different lights and see. So as you see, this is the red light here. I'm going to take out my light so you guys can see the different color light. 1 minute. So I take out my light so you guys can see the different color lights coming on. It's red right now. Turn orange now. Wow, this thing is cool and so good. It is red right now. Wow. It's green. Wow. I wouldn't believe how cool this place feels with this thing. It's blue right now. Oh my god. I love it. I love it. And my customers seem to love them because they keep ordering them. And I would just want to thank you guys for shopping at Dawn's Elite Quality Accessories online store. I just try to bring things unique from China, good working things that have these things down here selling, but these are the bogus ones. These are the original. Yes, it's a little expensive, but it will last and it will give you results. Right? I see it have the mini folding washing machine bucket as well, selling down here for like 200. I bought one and it hardly spinning. So, you know, it have these things down here, but you wouldn't get the quality as what I just be selling. My store is about quality. The quality. The long lasting. You understand? So, yeah. Oh my god. Wow. If I live, I just don't know how to explain it. If I feel the coolness. I don't want to take on this right now. I just want to snuggle up here, put on a movie, and just keep this coolness on me. Trust me. Right? So, thank you guys for, you know, tuning in again. This is the mini AC unit cooling fan. Right? It works with cold and ice water. Also with a plug, USB plug, and you get a pamphlet as well. Right? Thank you guys.